Hey, have you always wanted to use TubiTV.com within Open Artificial Intelligence ChatGPT? Well, now's your chance. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to install and use TubiTV Open Artificial Intelligence Chat Generative Pretrained Transformer application. First of all, you're going to need a Chat Generative Pretrained Transformer account, and then what you'll want to do is open the Chat Generative Pretrained Transformer application store, which I have on screen right here. So you have to have an account. You cannot search without a Chat Generative Pretrained Transformer account, alright? Then you're going to want to search for the TubiTV application, TubiTV. And then go ahead and install it within ChatGPT. Now, this is how you use it, right? What you'll want to do is with ChatGPT, in your prompts, you will just type in the @ sign Tubi, T-U-B-I. So whatever your search prompts are within ChatGPT, within that artificial intelligence chatbot environment, type away whatever I don't use that application, but whatever you would normally enter in as a prompt, you just have to make sure to include the @Tubi. So then it will then consolidate it for Tubi, and it'll find what you're looking for. That's it. That's how you use it. The rest of this video is to show you that there was a corporate announcement from TubiTV.com. The Uniform Resource Locator is highlighted on screen. You could type that in to the address bar of your preferred web browser. You can't make any mistakes. You have to include the dashes and correct spelling. What you could do is you could use ChatGPT.com and then type in how to use TubiTV with ChatGPT. Or you might be able to find this. If not, you could pause the video as I scroll down. There's just a lot of bloviating, very few instructions, but they did provide a few instructions. So down here, they just discussed this announcement, but I didn't really care about all this bloviating. But they did mention here, it says, I'll treat this as a quotation. Quote, users can add Tubi's application from Chat Generative Pretrained Transformer application store and type @Tubi anytime to describe what they are in the mood for, whether that is now this is a quote within a quote, but this would be like a prompt, right? A movie that feels like a fever dream, but it isn't. You have to be cognizant and cautious of what you say on We Sense YouTube, known as YouTube. So I know it's just an H word, but no. So I'm not gonna articulate that word. Or a thriller for tonight. That's another search prompt. They will then receive curated interactive results that they can watch on Tubi. So what it is it's a bit strange because I think Tubi has their own search. Yes, they do. I actually checked out that website earlier. They actually have their own embedded search, but they want you to use ChatGPT to search. And then did you know, Tubi, I think, what was it, 10 years? For at least 10 years, Tubi has already used artificial intelligence. But I guess this just makes it convenient for people that use ChatGPT, and it will allow them to search TubiTV directly. But you have to install a separate application within ChatGPT. All right, that's enough. That is this video pertaining to how to install and use Tubi Television Open Artificial Intelligence Chat Generative Pretrained Transformer application. Adios!